Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing Steam input so Minecraft can accept controller events. Add the Minecraft Launcher exe to your Steam library as a non-Steam game. Once added, open that game's properties and enable Steam input. Make sure Windows shows your controller under Devices so Steam can map it. This method routes controller buttons into the Java process, which is necessary because vanilla Minecraft Java lacks native full controller bindings. Once done, move on to configuring the layout in Steam. Now you configure precise bindings so gameplay is comfortable. Open controller configuration from the Steam library entry and choose a gamepad template as a baseline. Map left stick to WASD movement, right stick or gyro to mouse look, face buttons to jump/use/place, triggers to attack/use, and D-pad to hotbar cycling. Bind inventory and chat to convenient buttons or a modifier plus face button. Adjust joystick and mouse sensitivity so turning feels natural. Once calibrated, save a named configuration and apply it before launching Minecraft. Launch Minecraft from Steam to ensure Steam input injects your mappings into the Java process. Test walking, running, looking, inventory access, and hotbar selection. Make small sensitivity tweaks and dead zone adjustments if camera or movement feels jittery. If menus don't respond, open Steam Overlay or reapply the configuration because the overlay confirms input routing. Key troubleshooting tip: if controls stop working, toggle per game Steam input between forced on and default, then
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.